being a communicator, that law would be a good path because we have a high-level seasoned boutique litigation firm.
Well, thank you so much for joining us here.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Oh, sure. Well, my name is Blanca. I'm an attorney. I practice in the area of entertainment law, personal injury, and litigation. And our law firm is based in Hollywood, Florida. Additionally, I'm also the founder of a platform called The Laws of Life with Blanca. And people can come in. It's a mission of community empowerment so that all of us can elevate one another. And it's just a space where people can come in on Zoom every Tuesday at 11. And they can talk about their business, talk about their brands, and build authentic relationships.
Love that. We've had this theme of authenticity a little bit and leadership tonight, which I'm loving.
Wow.
Yes. Tell me a little bit about how did you start pioneering that? What got you into wanting to create something like that?
That's an incredible question. I think the source is inclusion. I think that it's so important in these times to feel connected to community. And I was also building the Laws of Life brand. And I realized the only way that you can build a business is you have to have valuable relationships, people that have you in your heart, that care enough to introduce you, to refer you, to support you, to show up for events. And if you don't have a community around you, no one's showing up. And so that's the key.
Absolutely. I have a business myself, and I realize it really is about the value you're bringing to people and how that's received, the impact you're making, right?
Yes.
Do you feel like that goes hand in hand with law and part of your world?
Absolutely. That's what I love about the community is because it's synergistic with any business, any individual, any person of any age is welcome, any job is welcome, retirees. If you really think about it, it doesn't matter what somebody does for a living. It doesn't matter what their educational level is because they know someone that could be the key to unlocking the secret for you. So you have to treat everybody with love, kindness, and respect because we don't know what magic can come out of it. We don't know. And that's the game of life.
That is correct.
Thank you.
That's so true. Tell us a little bit about your passions.
Well, I'm a huge live streamer. I love filming. I love interviewing people like you ladies.
Yes.
So I love interviewing people. I love getting to know them. I also love exercising, going to the gym. But really, my number one passion is people. I just love being around people. People are my oxygen.
I love that. Yes.
Well, tell us a little bit about your background and how did you get into law?
Well, that is an amazing question. So I grew up the daughter of Romanian immigrants. So in our family, you had to be a doctor or a lawyer or you were literally disowned. So basically, we didn't really have much of a choice. And I said, I can't do medicine because I faint at the sight of blood. I like to write, I like to speak. So I did a lot of public speaking in high school. I was doing the announcements in second grade. I always loved being on the microphone. It was so fun.
Yes.
And so I figured, being an advocate, being a communicator, that law would be a good path. And I've really enjoyed it. I was the head of litigation for a publicly traded company. I love contract work. But really, I love helping people. A lot of what I do is giving a complimentary consultation and just helping people navigate. Because it may not always be me that can be their lawyer, but it may be someone in my network. Right. So I make a lot of referrals to other lawyers in the community as well. And then we also litigate cases for lawyers that don't want to go to trial because we have a high-level seasoned boutique litigation firm. Ooh. So we also help other lawyers and make them look like rock stars and try the case for them.
That is amazing. I really love your passion for supporting people, and I can tell you have the heart in it too, which is amazing to see.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And what brings you to the Mansion Yacht Club tonight, and what are you excited for with this, what's brewing here?
Well, it's all about relationships, and I want to thank George Dubac, who's one of the kings of networking in Palm Beach County, along with Chris Voigt with the Wiser Company, one of my joint venture partners, for bringing me here tonight. And I brought actually a couple members of the Laws of Life are with me tonight. So I'd love to introduce you to them. One of them is Tonio Ellison. He's producing the Tonio Inclusion Summit, where again, inclusion. And people can visit lawsoflife.shop if they want to support the movement of inclusion. And it's all of, I've seen some old friends, making new friends, having a great time, and just looking to connect.
I can see you're connecting very well. I can see your passion, and it's beautiful.
Thank you.
It's really wonderful to see.
It's Blanca, correct?
That's right.
Okay, well, thank you so
Hanna
much.
and Michelle.
Yes.
You're good.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your gifts, your essence, and your magic with us tonight.
It is my true honor. Thank you for shining a light, and look forward to doing our future adventures together.
Yes, absolutely. Enjoy the evening.
You too.